Hey folks, I'm just here staining a red cedar, I don't know what you call it, pergola, overhang. I'm up here on a scaffolding, and just wanted to show you a couple of tools. This here's a little stab roller, you just stick in the roller right in there, and then the problem with the overhangs is it's going to drip, and this stuff is very fluid. Look at that, it's very viscous, it doesn't hold. So what I tried the pump sprayer, where is it? It's right there. Pump sprayer, that works a little bit, but we're getting way too much overspray on it. But it's very fast, and you need to cover everything. We've got a lot of furniture out here, windows, so we converted down to the little wee rollers, as they call them. So what you do is you just roll very gently. This stain is just, it absorbs in there. There's hardly any pigment in there. And I think it's Cabot's, this brand. California has recently made new laws, and a lot of the stains and paints are being reformulated. Okay, so you saw that. Let me do one more run. There we go. See, that's absorbing. Got a little bit of dripping. Not too much pressure. Go kind of evenly and spread it out. And when it seems to dry, when the wood's not taking stain, so that means you don't have enough. So right here, it's getting light. You don't, if you have to put any pressure on it, on the roller, it's too much. I mean, you need to reload. So there you go. Let me do it one more time. Finish up this section. All right. So lightly, and then the roller will release. And then you go sideways, and there's grooves in here, so we're gonna use a brush for that. So here's my brush. It's a Worcester Bravo deck brush. I think there's a number on there. 4 times 14. It's like $16. It's got a little handy lever here where you release this. You can unloosen this handle and put it on a stick. I can't really show you that because my hands should be wearing gloves, and wear gloves. Okay, so we're gonna load up the brush. Okay, wipe off excess, and then we're gonna do the seam. And then so just run it along the edge. There you go. And this is good for decks. I'm doing a deck that's essentially on the ceiling. It's kind of harder, so that's why I need the roller. It doesn't hold enough, and you get a lot of dripping coming from gravity into the ferrule here, which is this part. So this is good for spreading. So what I'm gonna do is I load up with the roller, then spread out with this. So that's good. See how big that is? That's a good 6-inch beam here. So, all right, that's a lesson on staining, and I recommend the Worcester Bravo. What's it called? Worcester Bravo Stainer. It's called the Bravo Stainer. And this handle comes off, and you can attach a paint pole. So if you don't want to bend down, you can do it all from above. Or if you want to get close with my scaffolding, and it's nice natural bristles, and washing out, probably do with O'Brien's, which I recommend, out of California, and also mineral spirits. But more about that later. All right, gotta get back to work.